For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 3, AS Simba 1 in the CAF Confederations Cup. It means Kaizer Chiefs are guaranteed 6 matches and they're going to the group stages of the CAF Confederations Cup. And so that is true for Sundowns, and so that is true for Stellenbosch. They were leading last time I checked, 3-0. So South Africa has 3 teams still remaining in CAF competitions. 2 in the Confed Cup and 1 in the CAF Champions League, which is the main continental competition. Junior, you saw the game at Top Silver Stadium. What do you think, sir? Yes, sir.
Will say justice?
Just, sir.
Look beautiful.
He's dressed like a politician.
Not to Puff Johnson.
Puff Johnson, umuntu osimame, uPuff Johnson.
Yeah, I was just there ugqoka so. 2-piece. Mangithi usengiyamazi. I2-piece. I2-piece inyama. Yeah, nyadlala look beautiful.
Just.
Lewuthile nkuleko mfethi abantu kube bayazi talented le mfethi.
Yeah.
Just
there's big news coming soon.
Talented inzima kakhulu.
He's got big news coming
hardworking.
Soon. Just.
Nale ulindo Pepe ngibolile ingwenyama ulindo namhla imanzi intimo.
Ngathi
Kanti dress code le yawo.
Ifuna ukushada le.
Mangabe boy kuyalunga umcele kwabaphansi noChrist bavuma abashaya istemp umthathu sestemp ukuthi ungaqala isigaba so vilakazi
Mr. Tswetso
legendary ya nobobzine uChuckzin
yes sir
uliseno shele bafethi kunjani keep on supporting Diski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football and comfortable win for Kaizer Chiefs athi shaya izandla mfethu well done to my fans kuza in numbers akusi easy ukuthi team iloser ndibele ne support it's not easy nobody is forcing you nobody is paying you. Well done to support. I think it's a cool to players. Each and every game important for Chiefs. The reason being, Abana consistent. They hardly win games.
Yeah.
So in today's games, well done for them. Good score 3 goals first half. You will never win games. You will never create chances without a combination play. Any combination play, you need proper midfielders. Today. Umthetho is not to saying Ishuti is one of the best players Chiefs is have in the middle, but in the middle he control midfield very well in khuluma first half. Namhlanje badlala neindangala, we need to be realistic. Abachita bekokren. The team that we're playing against, I see team ekren, physical team, tall. Chiefs bonagele na highlights asibukela game last time. Chiefs had about 12 chances. Clear. Lelaga te Prisley West, lelanga phansi kwepali ke. Bekusho ukuthi badlana abantu abanjani coming to the game labantu laba dlala ngephysique at the back bamakha zonal abadlala ne1v1 like abamaki 1v1 it's like badlala zonal bameli Chiefs receive ball so many spaces ebasinike Chiefs today well done to Kaizer Chiefs kuba ne build up kahle bebatheka ngeside abajwayele uku-attack ngala ka right uSolomon
yeah.
This boy umfundo vilakazi ungena phakathi ngibelieve ukuthi kumele bamdlalise near to iplali lo mfana kasungu into nespeed unengcondo the boy is talented but not properly wrong developed for me ngisasho technical natural angithi into ayiphiwa bese mele bayilungise so unasi isiphiwo but he was wrong developed it doesn't have a character strong character because this game umfundo bekumele enjoy.
How do you build strong characters for my players?
You need to be to get a proper like iqala la not ukuthi peli development sayikhuluma nje you need to get a proper knowledgeable experienced coach. A coach that will was provile to develop so many players. Abambile was prove. So I develop lo yamfana. Lo yamfana unali talent natural. Maningi ama players so ngabonile adlala ebhucwini. But uthola ukuthi when they come to the higher level, mabamnika ama instructions uya kwenye direction. Akakwazi ukudlala under pressure where it matters most it doesn't rise angazwe ngibamba so umfundo mawungambheka in today's games
is talented
unalo italent but it doesn't have a strong character and
so you think that that's something you can build over time so unokushaya ovalo mawuqala ku big team can you grow into it ukhule ngokuzithemba the more because today he had 2 assists a corner and a free kick mhlambe next week he does something else ungakhula ngokuzithemba the more wenza izinto
abumfundo ilabantu abazofana boLodge Themba Zwane you'll perform uqala ukurise at the age of 25 for me mawune talent natural thola ukuthi awudevelop properly unzima ku develop la kule age le
under 20 is very good
20 years udlana intanga zakho ku grand lapha yana ngithi there's no pressure that much yesikhona yanda ngidlalile kana 20 and 23 there's pressure but ayifana la club level you need the consistency
but do you trust that he will get into it
that's why
maybe that's the point where we are going with it lendwana le as isikhathi sihamba already is talented we can see that do you trust that he will become a star player
one it depends on the philosophy the trust of the coach that will believe in the boy you understand I don't see ngendlela abamdlalisa ngayo bamdlalisa eziwing idemanda too much 1v1 akusumuntu okwazi ukulanda umuntu because to take somebody on imele udecide early and imele convincing yabo you must bypass bona umfundi akusule umuntu uyambona umuntu epass you understand you want to
It's
pass
good
put
technically.
yes technically so ukuphendula mina uzomature right age of kula 24 years angazi ukuthi bazoba patient for him nakhona it will depend ukuthi bazomkhipha na the coach imkhiphe noma ngaba imdlalisa ngamama like ilibele imdlalisa noma ngaba kamniki lento ayifuna manje be patient yiyo ngithi udetermine nayi coach ne technical team ukuthi yamkhipha but game ama players so if ujumpe ama step in terms of development proper development uperforma la ku 24 25 going to the game I think yena technical is good. Namhlanje they are set piece good technically. Pinpoint. Well done. Uyakwazi khaba ibhola mfundo. We understand. Asikhulume goal number 1. Well done good badlalise this guy uLepo according to his strengths.
Because last week Uduba he was on the left.
Yeah.
Didn't create much. Mangelo Ulepo second half created 1 or 2 chances.
Yeah, whoever spoke to him ukuthi mawudlala wide singesa kuphasa enyaweni sodlala behind. First touch you go on the box and then either you shoot or you bring a square pass. Well done to him. I think well done to that. Namhlanje bamdlalisa according to instruction from the coach. Bambonile ukuthi 1v1 mangabe uyakuthatha uya wide. Mela libuyise ngo left it's very difficult for him. So mabamdlala behind the defense ungene boxing uba na angle yonke give you. Ideal crosser. Well done to him. Ulishayile le bola goalkeeper libuyisela phakathi eKwaDaro relay besikhuluma ngayo kuzolo game ePirates. You need a striker kule position.
Yeah. Anything that breaks there, someone can finish.
Good finish from Ecuador. Well done ukuthi atholakale la ngoba lela ball ifaka atholakala ngabe sobuza ukuthi wezi. So mina futhi ngisasho well done to Kaizer Chiefs I think to get early goals 3. I mean if Inyoki feel just kill it.
Yeah.
They score ama decision ebe wathatha ngala goal ay 3 well done. Yabo bathatha ama decision right ngala ama goal ay 3. Well done to also this boy Nkosi Mphile Ngcobo. Ukuletha variation to the game of Kaizer Chiefs, availing himself, making right decision. You understand? Just that ngisasho ngifuna ukumbona shot ama shot man on target like Umkwena is doing. Umkwena okanye mhlamba
from the midfield, you must
coming
take shots
from
at them.
even nalama run behind deep.
Yeah. Even Nemtajela, they play a similar role. Take
Similar
shots from D-line.
ngifuna ukumbona because ngiyambona uyavela la eyafine Kaizer Chiefs but ngifuna umbona adlalele mafine opponent ngoba unayo this nayo technically very good just that mela sipane nangobulazy bakhe man akanayo ngikhuluma umjita akanayo ukusipana man lento leyo ukusipana the energy I want to see and technically is very good but ngifuna ukumbona ngoba pound to pound akusumuntu onga 50-50 akana body but best players in the world angangayi nge-high tech kumele adlale off the ball.
Were you unhappy with ukudropa kwe-game? Because the Chiefs winile ushayile izandla manje and we have to do that. Well done. They scored those goals.
Yeah.
But were you unhappy maybe if you were part of the coaching team, good Chiefs, what were you saying to the players in dressing room njengoba kuphela igame ukuthi but guys we scored these 3 goals. Go grand ne? Mara we didn't overwhelm this opposition. Sikorile sashayile izandla and then I think that's where the game ended for us. That's why bakwazi ukukore away goal A1. What would you be saying in that dressing room?
Yeah, simple. Chance. Ama subs. Asikhulume ngopodi Pule Modi. He got so many chances. He's a senior player. Lo mfana talking about the season player here. 32, 33. Chances that you get. Uthola ama chance ay 3, 2, 3. Clear cut chances. Just finish those chances. And then sibe in control of the ball. Sibe in control of the game. It Chiefs. Now you can't expect them. Maskulmi Varje, it's true. We like it or not. There's no game that they dominate. Each and every game they play because of ama midfield wabo. Bakorile le 3 goals just ukuphendula. Into abangajwayelanga kuyenza. They hardly control the game.
Yeah.
Abajwayelanga kuyenza le nto leyo. They start now I'm sure they were not bebangakho sure ukuthi 3 it's us that were leading 3-0.
Yeah.
But true it was happening leading 3-0. Well done to the Chiefs. They were leading 3-0. Now they're starting to panic and then bafuna ukurusha. Decision making balete down ngoba if bayikorile 4 goals, I mean 5 goals or 6 ngoba it is a 5 6 7.
Yeah, we could have scored 6.
Yes, 6 7. Decision making balete down because of into abangajwayelanga kuyenza. Ngikhuluma ngoPule Modi. He need to look at himself to the mirror and asibheke ngoba bekumele ngabe ushaye 2 3 into this goal. Sikhuluma ngaba clear cut chances. Mistake ama enkulu. Well done to Chiefs to bring uMabuye. Ayi abasayini investment. Ngikhuluma ngecomposure. Ngiyakuza ukukhuluma
Did you see enough of him? Like
yeah,
today?
10 minutes. He played as ibhola mfethu. Ubuya ku Sundowns territory that guy is surrounding there. I think now he's learned a lot as a player. Not a bad player as well.
You like him for Chiefs?
Yes, but we need umuntu njengo eshiyamnida manje umfana ngifuna ukubona uSerino next to number 10 or badlala ngo8 and double number 10 yena umfundo Vilakazi and him yena abayi1 la ngifuna ukumbona and then iback for bakutshela boSolomon he must stick to mela mfethu like priority to the first priority to that guy uSolomon is to defend. The reason I choose begcina iphenika lo amchithi uyahamba balila 3-0 where you going? Just sit there. Just keep it disciplined, simple. Where you going? Ngabe usenza siphenike manje. So I think ezinye izinto njengoba ngisho they were not ababelievanga ukuthi we leading 3-0 into abangajwayelanga ukuyenza. And true, each and every game they are playing they are under pressure. Ayikho igame bayidominateayo. So in today's games it's hard to see them with dominating games khuluma nje yonke. But the chances ukuthi bayishaya 6-7 this team they created chances.
All right, asivale ngomthwalo. You play Confederations Cup, Betway Premiership, some point in January, qala Nedbank. What do you do as Chiefs? Do you think they can handle umthwalo ngokwe squad abanaso ukuthi badlale Continental and home as well?
Based on Kaizer Chiefs, I know they're not gonna sign anyone now January. Angithi uyangibuza, it's my opinion.
Yeah.
Based on Kaizer Chiefs, le mina sengiyibonile leminyaka le 15 years. Asithi 10 in the past 10 years, they're not gonna sign anyone now. They're gonna continue with this squad. But Benzo sacrifice. I know league is off for them. Bazo focus on the tournament. According to Bonabane, they believe they can win this tournament. Though it's gonna be tough. It's a mountain to climb. Asish kuthi ngeke yenzeke badlala the Champions League, they went all the way ukuthi abadlali kahle to the final and then they were beaten 3-0. But Benzo sacrifice the league, there's no way. A league definitely sure. Manje truly speaking, the team that they're playing against, abeko right. Kahle, njengale team bayitholile, le team bengekho right. We need to be realistic. Even the one that they beaten before, I think it's better than this. I need, but well done to them. Going forward, Benzo sacrifice the league vele. Ngiyabona, kuna Sundowns, there's Pirates, top class team there. Even I was telling Pochunga Batelile, Asisho ukuthi they can beat them, but sometimes they on their days, Stellenbosch can beat Chiefs. On the Chiefs, they can beat Stellenbosch. So, but Chiefs and Pirates and Sundowns, with the league possibility,
yes, one of them.
Contenders, yes, true. I there.
So, if you are Chiefs management, you are focused on Africa.
Kule tournament, but angisho ukuthi bazoyiwina, but you risk. Angithi uyangibuza ngoleko. You risk just focus here, true. Ngoba kuliki kuzoba nzima kakhulu. And icup elisele kukhuluma ngoBetway Premiership, ile cup leNedbank if for them. So also Pirates and Sundowns they're still there. So it's going to be very difficult. So I'll focus here, tata my chance. Angisho ukuthi ngizoyiwina mara I'll take chances.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That was Kaizer Chiefs against AS Simba. Lindo Pep, Bobo, and Shane are watching Mamelodi Sundowns against the Remo Stars. That's just wrapped up now. It was playing 30 minutes behind this game. Junior Kanyetso, Vilakazi, myself and Machaga were watching the other Chiefs game that's playing at the same time as well. South Africa has 3 teams remaining in Africa. It's Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, and Stellenbosch. All of them are going to play 6 matches now with different teams across the continent. So that's going to be fun that they come. They're going to have games in hand as well. That's going to confuse these teams that are not used to playing in Africa. We'll see how they face that challenge. It is Times, we're suspecting.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.